The government has dispatched food and non-food items to different parts of the country. I want to recognize the emergency services that are being offered by the Kenya Red Cross and St. John's Ambulance in different regions. As a government, we assure Kenyans that we remain focused and committed to mitigate the current fronts. As directed by the President of Kenya, the government will take care of the hospital bills in public hospitals of the affected families across the country to lift the heavy burden of the expenses, as well as funeral expenses for those who have lost their lives. At this juncture, fellow Kenyans, it is with a very heavy heart I want to report to the nation that we have lost lives as follows. 1. Nairobi City County, we have lost 21 males and adults, 3 female and 3 male children, all totaling to 26 deaths. Coastal region, we have lost 1 female child in Mombasa County. 3 in Eastern region, we have lost 6 male adults and 2 female in Makueni County, as well as 2 male children in Kitui County, giving a total of 10 deaths in the region. In Rift Valley region, we have lost 3 male and 1 female adult in Narok and Kajiado counties, adding up to 4 deaths. In Nyanza region, 1 male child died in Omambi County. In total, 42 deaths have been reported and confirmed by National Police Service across the country.